Okay, so smaller room, smaller system, and I've just got 5 bed channels here. I've probably got 2 overheads, and I haven't even done the subs yet, but this is the sort of thing. Now, I've drawn the listening window of the speaker. Now, the listening window is what they sold you on the spec sheet. It's where it's got good frequency response. It's where it's got its maximum output. You know, that's the speaker giving its best. And as you get outside that cone, it's less good. There'll be down on treble, might be other little lumps and bumps and stuff, and lower output. So this is where it's good. Now, what's happened if you put that speaker flat against the wall is your left listener, they're fine, and your centre listener, they're fine, just. But you're putting as much energy away from the audience as you are into the audience. So that's going to cause problems because that will bounce off walls and that could get in the way of you understanding words. And it's just all the energy isn't going into all the listeners, so you're going to have to turn it up more. Some of it's just going away from the areas we're interested in. Luckily then it's an easy solve. You know, you just grab that speaker and pull it round. So I'm going to do that. I don't know why I disappear when we have to do that, but I do. I'm sure some clever spark will help me fix that. Okay, so just by pulling this speaker around, in this instance 18 degrees, I've put everyone in the listening window. So I don't have as much calibration to do. I don't have to turn up any frequencies because my right hand listener is now getting a correct amount of treble. The maximum output from the speaker is all going into the audience. Also means my sound level calculations are now correct because it's based on that good central cone area in the middle. So I've definitely got the headroom in the system that I've calculated. Everyone's getting a good result, and I've got less work to do in calibration to make this good. Hallelujah, right? So let's have a look at all 3 speakers in the screen, left, centre and right. So we start off like that. You know, 3 beams of sound. The centre's fine, and all 3 listeners can hear the centre. You know, that's fine, doesn't need any work. But the left listener, getting good from the left, not good from the right. The right listener is getting good from the right, not good from the left. So if we tow in both our loudspeakers, this is what we'll expect to see. Oh my goodness, that's just so much better. You know, I'm not losing energy in the sidewalls. I'm not losing energy into the carpets. Everyone's getting a good result. This will be much, much easier to make it sound good as well. It'll be good spatial cues for everyone. It'll be a good result. Simple, easy applied design. At any given price, this will make things much better.